Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Adding a chat support feature to your WordPress website can help you improve customer engagement and satisfaction. In this video, we will show you how to install chat support on your WordPress website step by step. We will cover everything from selecting the right chat support plugin to customizing your chat widget and integrating it with your website. We will also provide some tips and best practices to help you make the most of your chat support feature, from setting up automated messages to tracking your chat analytics. So, whether you are a blogger, freelancer, or small business owner, let's get started and install chat support on your WordPress website today. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So, the first thing that I will need you guys to do is simply go ahead and go to WordPress.com, create your accounts, and launch your WordPress website. Right after that, I will need you to go to your WP admin, which is your dashboard. Just log in into it and it will be opened just like so, just like you see it in my screen. Now, what you are going to do is, as you can see here, there is this small menu. Click on plugins and add new plugins. They will take you to a new page where you can actually add plugins. So there is two ways of actually adding a plugin. So the first way, which is by clicking on add plugins over here and upload the plugin from a zip file that can be on your PC. The second way, which is simply by going to the keyword section over here and searching for the plugin. We are going to use the second method. So come here, search for talk. So here we go. And let's wait a little bit. So talk to live chat. All you need to do is click on install now, as you can see here, and then give it some time and it will be successfully installed. All you need to do now is activate it. So you can just click on this button and it will be activated in a moment. Make sure that it is fully activated from going to active and seeing it that it is here active. So now what you have to do is click on settings. Now we are on the settings section and now we will need to actually sign up in this plugin. So click on sign up. They will take you to a new page. Here enter your name, an email, and a password. Here we go. So let me just do this and sign up for free. Now let's set up the language. So I will go with English. Site name, let me just make sure it is film TV. Enter site URL, which is this one, and enter widget name, so we can call it chat. Next team member. Now what I'm going to do is add this one as admin, of course, and that's it. Now next, install widget. So all you need to do is simply to install Talk, you can place this code before the body tag on every page of your website. Or you can use Talk plugin for one of the popular platforms. So we are going to use it on WordPress. Click here. And now let's wait a little bit. And as you can see, you can get it from here for free. So get it now. And as you can see, here it is. So this is the way that I've showed you before of getting it like from like file, zip file, and then dragging it into your WordPress website. So now you may also send this to access to your developer. So I'm just going to keep it like that, done, and here we can take a tower. When a new shot comes in, it will display here for you to answer. Next, important update and notification can be found here. Next, change or manage your profile, set your status, enable and disable notifications, and more are from this icon over here. And visitor monitoring. In monitoring, you can keep track of current visitors on your site and join a chat in real time. Here you can navigate fast in the new simplified menu. You can see real-time statistics, so high priority messages, messages across channels in contact, activate your notice base, view reporting data, manage add-ons, and access property and widget settings in administration. Here you can find the inbox where you can find all the kind of different messages. Here the contacts, and here the add-ons, here the admin settings, and finally here if you have a smartphone you can get this um, application on your iPhone or Android. And finally that's it with the dashboard. So we went through it really fast. Now here let me just connect to this account. So here we go. Let me just connect into it. Alright, here we are. Let's try it once more and check if it's going to work. Yeah, it did work. Now select widget, shots, use selected widget. We can use it. Successfully added widget to your site. Now, let's go to visibility option. Make sure that it is general visibility, always show talk to widget on every page. Here, privacy options, enable visitor recognition, and WooCommerce option. If you have like a WooCommerce website, you can display on shop main page, display on product secret page, on secret product page, on tag pages. Save settings, and let's wait until it is fully saved. Let's go once more through everything. Right, now everything is working. Let's try to check the website now. Here it is, the website. And basically, guys, here it is. Hi there, search for answers. You can start here new conversation. So, hello. As you can see, I have like a noise over here. Let me just mute this real quick, mute sites. Anyway, so the messages are going to be sent over here. So here it is. This is like the conversation. Hello. And yeah, it's kind of like that. Start conversation. If you want to inbox chats, you'll find like the chats over here. Here are like the direct messages that I have for the moment. So this is like the direct message. Um, like if I want here, let me just go back to dashboard and let me try to refresh it. And as you can see, I still have 000 at everything because at the moment I'm contacting myself as the admin and they recognize that I am the owner of the website. So it doesn't really matter if someone contacted or not, but still you can see the messages in here. So hello, this is the nationality. So for example, hi everyone, make sure to like this video. So I've written this comment and here it is, and you can just type to it back. So join chat, hello, how can I help you? And as you can see, here it is. So this is simply it, guys. That's how you can add chat to your WordPress website. I hope you learned something from this video, guys. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.